Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add store transition effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on a box white icon, this one, click on it. And after this, at the menu, you can swipe until you can see on mouse. This one, click on this. And after this, you can swipe until you can see this is the star 1 and star 2. You can choose the star transition effect that you want. I want to try to add a star 1 for the box white icon 1. And then for the box white icon 2, I want to try to add star 2. And after this, you can click check icon in here. Sorry. Star 2. Okay. And finish. So that how to add star transition effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.